Hello everybody, I'm Josh Cork and this is your Blue Edge Energy Weekly Natural Gas Market Update. Remember to follow us on Facebook, check us out on LinkedIn, and see more videos like this on YouTube and on our website right here below, blueedgeenergy.com. I'm coming to you from a new venue, our house out in Brooklyn, Wisconsin, and the room I'm sitting in is 150 years old. So I'm sure a lot of people have been born or died in this very room, and here I am talking to you about natural gas in the 21st century. Let's jump right into this. May fell off the books and settled their price at $1.79.4 for the month of May. But our June contract price is much higher. It sits at $1.94.9. That's up a mere 0.7 of a cent since last week. Our next winter strip price, if we had equal volumes from November to March, is at $2.94.3. That is up 6.2 cents since last week alone. Now let's jump into the storage report. The EIA storage report showed a plus 70 BCF change into the ground storage inventory. That's been a little bit suppressed versus last year, given that we've had a lot more colder weather lately than normal. Our current overall storage in the ground sits at 2,210 BCF. Currently, we're at 783 BCF above last year's storage inventory levels and plus 360 BCF above the 5-year moving average. Let's look at some of the forecasted and future prices. As mentioned earlier, the next winter strip price is at $2.94.3. If we look at the winter after that, it sits at $2.82.2. That's up about 4 cents since last week. Meanwhile, the 2021 calendar strip price, again, that's of equal volumes throughout the year, is at $2.75.6, and the 2022 calendar strip price is at $2.53.5. When we look at your local cash out prices right now, for folks that are tied to the Chicago index, it sits at $1.64.5. That's down 7.5 cents since last week. And then for our friends in the western part of the state off northern natural gas, we are at $1.58.5. That's down 6.5 cents since last week. Now let's take a brief look at the weather. It has been cold out, I know that, and rainy and miserable. We're gonna have some good weather this weekend here in Wisconsin, good weather. And next week, we're gonna go back to cooler temperatures, highs in the 50s next week. If you look across the country at the 8 to 14 day weather forecast, it's gonna be much cooler than normal temperatures across the Midwest and Northeast, and we'll continue to suppress injection numbers we already saw it suppressed this week and in the weeks to come because of this cooler weather. So let's end on a couple notes here. Some weekly commentary. We have the COVID virus still happening here in our country. That's kind of wreaking havoc on the market right now. We have colder weather that's going all the way down to Mobile, Alabama into the 40s, which is also playing a factor when it comes to, again, storage injection and so forth. And that has been pushing up gas contracts both in near term in the June contract and then for the next winter thereafter. On another note, we've wrapped up all of our RFPs and now we're just finalizing contracts with our clients at this point in time. And then Blake and I will be posting a video, if not today or early next week, going through some of the heavier items when it comes to market dynamics and fundamentals going on right now, because we're seeing a very bullish market, but Blake will talk about why he doesn't exactly agree with the commentary of where that market's moving right now. So on behalf of myself, Blake, Karen, and TJ, we want to thank you for tuning in. We'll catch you next week. Make it a wonderful weekend and take care.